How to verify ID.me. So let's get started. Select your verification method. If given the option, select self-service. Some organizations allow you to choose between self-service or a short video call. Then upload your US driver's license or state ID. To use a password or password card, change or select change document. Do take your photo straight on and not at an angle. Do place your document on a dark surface. Do match the orientation of the documentation. Do make sure there are no other objects in the photo. Don't crop the corners or edges, don't cover information, and don't take or submit blurry photos. Then take or submit a video selfie to verify that your face matches the photo on your ID. If your video selfie is not accepted, then take another selfie using the video selfie best practices. Then enter your personal information. Enter your phone number and social security number when prompted. You may need to enter your US address as well. Then review your information, then select yes. On the authorized screen, review the information the organization will receive and select allow. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.